I want to talk to you about the best business credit builder account. So if you have a business and you're trying to really build business credit, you do have some institutions that can really help you build business credit. Of course, you always have the possibility to go the net 30 account route, but you also want to really explore the business credit builder account routes. So here's a list I want you to pay attention to. The first such institution that can help you build business credit this year is Credit Strong. And Credit Strong has a pretty innovative business model that can really help you out, okay? And so you can actually build business credit using your company's EIN. So that's really good. And so basically, Credit Strong actually can help you build 5,000 all the way to 50,000 of business credit real fast. And the cool thing is that Credit Strong reports your data to Dun and Bradstreet, Equifax Business, but also Experian Business. So that's really encouraging. Okay, you can establish business credit for your company without paying interest. That's really good. So you are basically paying no interest with a 0% interest-free business credit builder account. Of course, Credit Strong is making money off of your business through another way, which I will explain later on. But when you think about building business credit this year, this is actually one of the only institutions in the nation that gives us small business owners an opportunity to build payment history on a large bank loan without paying interest. So you are paying a fee to a Credit Strong, but this is not actually an APR. Okay, so Credit Strong Business offers a 25-month or 50-month 0% interest rate credit builder account. So you can choose which one actually works for you. So basically, if you go with the basically if you only pay a one-time fee, so you don't pay interest, but you pay a one-time fee. You make a 25 or 50 monthly payments. 100% of every monthly payment builds your company's savings. Okay, you pay no interest, and you can really unlock your savings 25 or 50 months afterwards. So that's really good, and you can actually build business credit with Credit Strong because they've been around for many years now. So that's really fantastic. Now the thing is that you might want to really think about like basically if you are going to build business credit through a Credit Strong, you have to really understand that they actually have two processes. I've said this before, but I want to insist on that because they actually are pretty straightforward when it comes to the one model that you want to choose. So they have the 25-month account option, and then they have the 15-month account option. So basically, if you go with a 25 month, I mean, let me first explain to you that there is a one-time fee that I've said this before, but I want to say it again. So the one-time fee actually is there to make sure that they are compensated too. They don't charge you interest, but they're charging you something. So the one-time fee is actually $349 if you go with an amount of a credit built for $5,000. If you go to $10,000, they're charging you a $549. Again, this is a one-time fee. And so the monthly payment, if you go with the 5,000 amount of credit built, is $200. If you go with 10,000, it's $400. If you go with if you want to have an amount of credit built of $25,000, basically you have to pay $1,000 every month. Okay, but the one-time fee is actually $749. And you also have $999. That's the one-time fee. If you go with the 50,000 line of credit built, and you are paying $2,000 every month. So, but again, you can see that here we are speaking about the 25-month business credit builder accounts, right? Because they have a 50-month business credit builder accounts also. So basically, if you go with the 50-month business credit builder accounts, the one-time fee is still the same, nothing really different. But the biggest difference here is what? It depends on how much business credit you want to build and how fast. So if you want to really establish your business as reputable, as monetarily sort of stable, then you might want to go for the 50-month sort of business credit builder account. Of course, it has a different pricing and also a different pricing strategy, but also a different fee model also. The second business credit builder account that I want to share with you in today's conversation is actually Tillful. And Tillful is a pretty interesting take when it comes to the whole business credit builder sort of business model. Why? Because Tillful actually allows you to upgrade your business credit real fast through them. Okay, so but you have to be an active Tillful. You have to be an active Tillful user. So once you sign up with when you sign up for this account, what you have to do is you have to select the price that works with your budget, and they will report your payments monthly to the three business credit bureaus. So they'll report your data to Dun and Bradstreet, Experian Business, and Equifax Business. So you can actually increase your paydesk score real fast. Okay. Now you can actually get 2 trade lines reporting every month when you subscribe with your Tillful card. So you can see that Tillful is trying to really have you as a customer on the card aspect of things too. Okay. So be an active Tillful user. So connect your bank and credit accounts to get your Tillful business health score and unlock cash flow insights. You want to subscribe to a credit builder, choose the price that works for your business. It's a very easy 2-for-1 if you pay with your Tillful card, and start building credit. Now, what happens here is that once you start actually meeting your payments, basically Tillful will take care of the rest. They will report to Experian and Equifax with every monthly payment, and DNB is self-reported for now. Automatic reporting coming soon. So that's really cool because you have the possibility to get things done fast. Now with Tillful, what you will love with Tillful is that they have actually the Tillful card is pretty good, but also the fact that in-house they have a possibility to help your business actually unlock other business credit possibilities if you ask them. So you got to really have a conversation with the Tillful team, and they'll ask you questions about your business. They'll ask you questions about the industry you're in. They'll ask you questions about the ownership of the business. They'll ask you questions about the legal type of the business, and then they will see how they can actually help you unlock other business credit models. So when you think about Tillful Business Credit Builder account, you have to really understand that basically they report automatically monthly to the major business credit bureaus. Okay, so for Experian and Equifax, but then Dun and Bradstreet, you have to self-report. But they can help you actually report also. You must make monthly payments to a Tillful credit builder for your trade line to be reported. It will show up as a one-time payment. They do not report if you cancel your subscription or if you miss payments. So this is kind of cool because you don't have this sort of punishment sort of model here. And Tillful Credit Builder reports as a financial services trade line at the amount of your month subscription. Okay, and so Tillful Credit Builder is currently only available for Tillful Score users. So, however, reporting is not yet based on the Tillful score. Instead, they report the payments you make on your Tillful subscription. So, any changes in your Tillful score will not affect how or what they report, and the Tillful score is free and displays immediately, barring any outlying technical difficulties. So that's really cool from a flexibility point of view. And so Tillfree is actually free to use, so that's a good thing. Now, Tillful Credit Builder is actually the company's premium subscription that includes a reported trade lines to the major bureaus. And Credit Builder is priced on a sliding scale from $20 to $50 per month, allowing you to choose the price that works best for you. Note that higher amounts may have a bigger impact on your business credit score, okay, on your payday score, among others. And basically, Tillful is not going to really sell your data or harvest your data, whatever. No, they do not harvest, sell, or even see your data. They only use the info you share with them to provide you with the services that you have requested, and all bank information that you share for the purposes of getting your Tillful score, for making payments, and for any other reason. That info is fully encrypted and secure. And if you should ever wish to close your accounts, you may also request full data deletion at the time of closure. So that's really good. So the payment, again, $20 to $50 per month. Next, I want to talk to you about the Zempler Bank. So if you're looking for the best business credit builder accounts, I want you to think about Zempler Bank. Now, Zempler Bank has an interesting sort of profile in the sense that they actually cover. They are international. They are based in the UK, but they also do the states. They do North America. They do Europe, other countries in Europe also. Okay, and with Zempler Bank, you have they call it Business Credit Builder. So a Business Credit Builder account helps helps your business build a good business credit score. So if you don't have a credit history or you want to improve your credit score, Credit Builder can really help you. Okay, now it's not an overnight fix when you think about Zempler, but it is a step in the right direction. Now, how does a Zempler Bank, because it is a bank by the way, how does Zempler Bank Business Credit Builder work? Well, you have to open a business extra account. It takes minutes to open an account. So once you have activated your card, you will find the Business Credit Builder tool in your Zempler Bank app and online banking, and you just need to make payments and track progress. So Business Credit Builder is a 12-month commitment to paying your monthly business extra account fee on time. So the fee is about $15. So it's £9, non-British pounds, or $15. And so you want to track your progress through the Credit Builder dashboard in app or online banking, where you'll find your payment dates, outstanding balance, and payment history. And then you have to grow your credit score. So basically what happens here is that Zempler Bank will report your monthly repayments to credit reference agencies, credit reporting agencies, which will build your business credit score. Okay. Again, I want to insist this is not an overnight fix, but you could see an improvement within months. Okay. So what you need to really know is that you must be able to afford to make all of your 12 payments of $15 on time, as missing a payment can harm your business score. Okay, your business credit score. So be very careful there. And there are no hidden fees to use a Business Credit Builder, and you can cancel within 14 days. If you don't like the service for any reason, you can cancel. Okay, and Business Credit Builder is not a loan or credit card, so you won't get money when you actually use it. So one thing I want to say here is that if you are new to Zempler Bank, you just need to open a business sorry about this, a business extra bank account. And once you have activated your card, Business Credit Builder will be available in app and online banking. Okay. If you already have a business extra account, you just need to add Business Credit Builder to your account in app and online banking. And so your Business Credit Builder will activate real fast. Okay. And so Business Credit Builder is right for you if you want to really increase your business credit score. And just make sure that you do not actually miss any payment, because this could actually lower your business credit score. And there are no refund or no money back. Business Credit Builder only manages your monthly account fee as a payment plan to help demonstrate your reliability in making payments to credit report agencies. So the payments you make cover the monthly account fee for your account, which is charged regardless of whether you have added Credit Builder. So no money is transferred to your account or refunded at any point. And so Business Credit Builder is actually a 12-month contract. Don't forget that. It's not a 6 months or 3 months. You have to really commit for 12 months. And so basically what happens here is that the extended time frame helps demonstrate your reliability in making payments to credit reporting agencies, which could improve your business credit score. Okay. And you are able to see results within 6 to 12 months, really. So that's really important. And so once you actually are accepted into a Business Credit Builder, Zempler Bank will send you an email confirming your Business Credit Builder application has been received and approved, alongside all the info you need to know, including payment dates and amounts. And so you can also have another credit product at the same time as Business Credit Builder. So basically what happened here is that Zempler Bank will let you know about any other credit products that you are eligible for. So make sure to have opted to marketing communications so that you don't miss any notifications. And they actually send out notifications all the time. So that's really good to really keep in mind. if you're looking for the best business credit builder accounts this year, I want you to really think about Credit Suite. So Credit Suite is another wonderful player, okay, that allows you to build business credit real fast, okay? And you can build business credit for your EIN with their business credit builder business model. So basically, to actually sign up for this, you want to set up your business. So you want to set up your business to meet lender and credit issuer vulnerability standards to get automated approvals, okay? And the Credit Suite Business Credit Builder helps you build your business credit without a personal guarantee or a personal credit check. So step by step. And they do so using a proven, field-tested, business owner approved, and highly personalized process. So by using their software and the only full-service business credit advisor team in the industry, you'll be actually guided every step of the way. And this really simplifies your experience of obtaining business credit this year anyway. So the thing here is that you want to set up your business. You want to set up and activate your current profile. So set up and activate your credit profile with Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax commercial, and you want to get your DUNS number, which is really essential to building great business credit in the first place. And you also want to get initial trade credit. So Credit Suite will help you with all those processes. You can get your initial trade credit to build your business credit reports with no personal guarantee, and Credit Suite will be there to kind of guide you, and you get business credit real fast. So Credit Suite helps you get your business set up the right way so you are able to meet lender and credit issuer approval requirements and get approved for initial credit that reports and build your profile with all the three business credit bureaus, okay? And you can also get critical information about how lenders and underwriters view your business profile with a proprietary tool that they call Bureau Insights. Bureau Insights at Credit Suite, that actually a comprehensive analysis of your business, so rare and special that you are only permitted to offer it to actually offer it if you receive it if you are a Credit Suite client, okay? So once you are set up with the business reporting agencies, they will help you access multiple revolving credit with limits of $5,000 to $50,000. So that's really good. And so there are several types of credit that Credit Suite will help you access. You have vendor credit, you have retail credit, you have fleet credit, you have a service credit. That's really good. You have also a business credit. You have vehicle financing. So that's really cool. So in terms of business credit, you're speaking here about Visa and MasterCard accounts you can use in most locations globally. And for fleet credit, this is for fuel and auto vehicle repairs for your primary vehicle and a fleet of commercial vehicles. And for vendor credit, basically you are speaking about net 30 accounts. So what's the bottom line here? In today's conversation, I share with you the top 4 business credit builder accounts. I give you the list. So the list included Credit Strong, Tilful, Zempler Bank, and Credit Suite. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.